Have you ever wanted to post a short? Maybe a UFO is going over your house, something quirky happened in the family or your friends you want to just kind of share with other people, or maybe it's a deer eating out of a bird feeder. Who knows? But it's all fun to share on shorts. I'll show you all the easy steps from the phone, getting it posted, getting it on YouTube, and then if you want to refine a little later, I'll show you a couple tips that you can use on your computer to make that short pop. No matter your age, young or old, you can make shorts. The first thing you do is download the YouTube app to your phone. Click it, and you'll get this little plus sign down here. Hit that, and that will give you a list of options. You can create a short by just hitting this thing and starting recording, and that works, but then you just never know what you're going to get. So what I do is I upload. I will do a short a whole bunch of times because editing a short takes way too long, and it's way too complicated. And I can show you in maybe another video, and I'll post it up there, but it just isn't necessary. This is the actual short on how to fill a bird feeder. There wasn't enough there to do a full-blown video, and it just happened to be that I was on site doing it. By the way, this is kind of an interesting short here, where I was just recording a deer eating out of the bird feeder after we put it in place. This is a perfect example of nature. Whether it's a UFO, a deer, whatever it is, you're just going to get what you get. You want to make it so that it's meaningful. In this case, I figured about 12 seconds of a deer eating out of a bird feeder was enough. And then you can post it. You can see I did it 13 times before I really was satisfied. Now you'll practice a couple times. Sometimes you'll say the right thing. Sometimes you'll goof. Editing a short is something that you want to avoid at all costs. It just takes too much time, and it's a lot more complicated. Just saying the same thing again and again and again is probably the way to go. 13th time I got it right. So we're going to put that in there like that. Here's a way of filling up a bird feeder using an old vinegar bottle, cider bottle. It's got to have a cap. I'm pretty happy with that. There's nothing I'm going to change. I'm going to go to the next. Here's a real quick and easy way of thing. You can make some sound or text or whatever here. Keeping it simple. I'm going to actually speak into the microphone and do the caption. How to fill a bird feeder fast and easy. You could do that depending on the title, but you're not going to get any caps, which is not so good. So I'm going to go back and just type it in by hand. And easy. Once you got your title, now you can do a whole bunch of other things. Public, make it. It's not made for kids. That's just my standard load. All you're going to do is upload the video. And then you'll see here, uploading your video, see video. And as it uploads, it's going to have this little blue bar that's going to go across. And you'll upload it and it will process it. And it may take a couple minutes, and that's okay. At this level, it doesn't automatically monetize. So having your title is pretty important. And as it's processing, we'll put another bar through. And there it goes. It's already in. See your video. Here's a real quick and easy way of filling up a bird feeder using an old vinegar bottle, cider bottle. It's got to have a cap though. You can make some adjustments, edits here. And you can do it on the phone if you really need to. But I find it's a lot easier to go to the computer and just do it all there. And I'll show you how to do that once you have it loaded from your phone. So now I'm on my channel. I'm going to go to your videos over here. Click that. This will show me all my videos. The video is off, so I'm going to select that on. And then I'm going to go in here and say clean video. Submit. This is crazy about the whole short thing. 68 views in probably 2 minutes. No restrictions. I'm going to go in here and edit this a little bit. Give it a little more description. This makes filling bird feeders fun. And then I'll probably put a little more down in here. Thumbnail, I'm pretty happy with it. You get 3 options. Save the changes right here. Go back to the video. Here's the short. Here's a real quick and easy way of filling up a bird feeder using an old vinegar bottle, cider bottle. It's got to have a cap though. Now I did a whole bunch of versions of this and maybe I missed it or the shot wasn't just right. Is the shot perfect? No. Is it good enough for a short? Yeah. Views are going crazy and I've already got 1 like and it's only been up for a couple minutes. And I don't have 1 million subs, so it must be something that people find valuable. And you just never know. So it's probably worth doing. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in tech evaluations or learning how to do photography, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff. I work on sports gear. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.